Happy New Year and Sabbath blessings to my brothers and sisters at the Eden Church. I bring you greetings on behalf of the Northeastern Conference Executive Leadership Team and the 60,000 plus members of the Northeastern Conference. My heart is filled with gratitude to Dr. Daniel Honore, our former conference president, for graciously representing the conference and presiding over today's installation service. The church and conference owe your former pastor, Caleb Pierre, and his family a debt of gratitude for their tremendous service to your church and the wider community. Prayerfully, the decision was made to assign Pastor Jude Auguste to continue building upon the foundation already laid. As the new year has dawned, his pastoral tenure is beginning. I urge the church to love him, embrace him, and support him. Eden has been a beacon of hope in New Rochelle, and I am confident that your ministry will have lasting impact into eternity. Congratulations to Pastor Jude Auguste and his family and the Eden Church family.